Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Omotola Eunice Omotayo, and if you are just watching this video for the first time, welcome to the Elegantly YouTube channel. So if you have yet to subscribe, please do subscribe now and turn notification bell on so that when we upload any video, you'll be the first to know about it. So today I'm going to be talking about the Stanford LEAD program. This is an online business program offered by the Stanford Graduate Business School. I got into the program, and ever since then, it's been a good experience, and I've gotten a lot of requests, a lot of questions about how I got in, who the program is for, how they can get into the program, and a lot of other questions like that. So this video is going to be an explanatory video. I'm going to be taking you through the process of how I got into the program, what the program is for, what you should look out for if you want to apply for the program, and most especially how to know that the program is for you. How can you get value from the program? And also we'll talk about it too short. So shall we? Okay, so what is Stanford LEAD? Stanford LEAD is not an MBA program. It is not an MSc, or let's say a master's program. Stanford LEAD is an online business program. This program is for leaders. So for any career path that you have, be it accounting, a business person, someone in tech, a CEO, if you're on the leadership level, or you are aspiring to be a leader, or you're already a leader and you want to get better being a leader, then this program is for you. And as a leader, you want to equip yourself to be better in what you are doing, to make more impact to your organization, to drive innovation, and to learn from other leaders from different aspects of career paths of the world. Then the Stanford LEAD program is the best place for you. To summarize this program, the program is a flagship online program, so which means from the comfort of your space, from wherever you are, you can actually be part of this program. It's a one-year program, and it comprises of just 8 courses. There are 2 required courses, and then the rest of the courses are elective courses, which means you can choose between this course or pick this one. You should be able to give between 5 to 10 hours in a week, and once you're able to do that, then you have enough time required for the program. So this program is a year program, and one good thing about the Stanford program is not just about the courses that you're going to be taking. It's about the community of people that are in the program, the community of past leaders, people that have gone through the program, and the community of the present leaders, people coming from different spaces of life, leaders, founders, CTOs, CEO, mid-level and senior professionals. To get into the Stanford LEAD program, you need to submit your application. Yes, you need to submit your application. But before we go into the application, let's talk about the tuition. The tuition part is around approximately $20,000. It's not up to, it's around 19,000 plus, but let's say approximately $20. And you have the privilege to pay instrumentally. I mentioned that the program is a year program, and it contains of 4 different quarters. So that means you can pay in first quarter, you can pay in second quarter, third quarter, and balance up in the fourth quarter. And this is very good for anyone that cannot pay at once. And also another good thing is, if you are not able to self-fund yourself, your organization can also fund you. You can get scholarship from any organization and use it to fund yourself. So that means you don't directly have to pay. Your organization can pay for you. Let's talk about the requirements to get into the program. The program requires you to do an online application. So this online application has 3 different components. It has the essay part. The essay part is around 500 essay words. You'll be asked to write on which part of your organization you want to make impact on. So this is just you telling your story as a leader and how you want to improve your organization as a leader in just 500 words. And after this, you are also expected to request for a letter of recommendation from a superior in your organization or any other stakeholder in your organization that have been part of your success. So you send this request for them to write the recommendation letter to you, and they submit directly by themselves. And the third part is the online video interview. I actually like this part. And you're not meeting someone one-on-one, you're actually going to record yourself. So the online video interview is in two categories. You're going to answer two questions, and one question is from a lead faculty director, and the other part is from a Stanford LEAD alum. So you answer the first question from the Stanford LEAD faculty director, and the other one from someone that has gone through the program. It's a very simple question. It's something you don't actually need to prepare for. I mean, this is you who has been a leader and you just want to enhance what you are already doing. So it's not something too stressful. When you submit this components that I've mentioned, you're going to get like a confirmation email. I think within 24 hours. I got mine within 24 hours, confirming that they've received your application, and they are going to review it and get back to you as soon as possible. Another thing I noticed is once the application starts, make sure you submit as soon as possible. The review process is being done on rolling basis. So another important thing I should mention is that on the Stanford LEAD website, this is the link, there is an opportunity for you to do like a self-assessment to know if the program is actually for you. So after you have done this self-assessment, you are going to be assured, or you are going to confirm that this program is for you. Then you can go ahead and go through the process I mentioned earlier and submit your application. Note that when you submit your application, you will receive an email confirming that they have received your application and they are reviewing it on like ongoing basis. Within 4 weeks, I think 4 weeks, yes, within 4 weeks, or let's say 4 weeks, you are going to hear back from the school on your admission status. Congratulations, you have gotten into the program. Now you are a leader. With the Stanford LEAD program, trust me, your mindset is going to be totally transformed. You're going to have a new and renewed mindset, let me put it that way. And with that, you are going to accelerate your career. Your career that is already here as a leader will move. Okay, so the Stanford LEAD program actually have an awesome learning model. It's a combination of online classes, videos that you can watch at your own conveniences, assessments, collaboration, interactive collaboration with your peers. I actually like this part. So you are not learning alone, you are learning alongside with other creative minds, people who are ready to transform and drive innovation. Another very interesting part of the learning model is the feedback from the course facilitators. Say you submitted an assignment, you have taken your time to do it, beautiful. You're going to get constructive feedback from the course facilitators. This always gives me ginger that Omotola, you have done well, or also like let me see a broader perspective of the submission that I just made. So something that I might probably not be looking at or reasoning, this is now the time for me to look into that direction. There are multiple ways for you to actually get the best out of the Stanford LEAD program. The first one is you can learn on your own. You can go back to the recorded video. There are videos that you can listen to. There are books that are recommended for you to read. There are podcasts that you can listen to as well to get what is being taught in class. And most importantly, you can collaborate with your peers. Not you can, you should. This is actually very interesting because you get to learn and even understand things better from other people's perspective. You can also engage with your faculty and your course facilitators. This is also a very important part.
So I'm going to stop here, but if there is any question you think I've not answered, or after going through their website, please ask me in the comments or send me an email. I'm happy to help you.
I hope with my explanation, you are able to like make the decision and know if the program is for you, and also to help you to get started with your application and even get into the program. So in my next video, because right now I see I have 2 more quarters, right, to the end of my program. So in my next video, I'm going to be explaining my own experience during and after how I feel after the program and all the things I learned during the program. So stay tuned and make sure you watch my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not. Turn on the notification bell and please share this video and any other videos on my channel with your friends, your colleagues, your sister, your brother that might benefit from it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.